Yabona mangabe uphakela umatric ama-matriculants waphakela amaphepha ebhala examination yawo ufike uphakele umfundi ombonayo ohleli edeskini bese uphakela nalo ongekho odesk lakhe li-empty nje linesihlalo netafula nenamba awazi nanokuthi ufika yini kodwa bese uyamphakela naye i-question paper uphinde umphakele i-answer book ungazi nanokuthi uyofikani ispace sakhe sikhona ibheke ephike lenkulumo ibheke ekuthenini uma ukuthi waba imember ka-YouTube ngokuthi ufuna ukuhlomula kuma-spiritual practices esiwenza njalo ngo-Monday ngo-7 p.m. nango-Thursday ngo-7 p.m. ispace sakho sikhona mntakaMo asithathwanga umuntu and siyaqhubeka iprocess iyaqhubeka futhi nespace sakho sikhona asazi noma uyogcina ufikile noma uyogcina ungafikanga kodwa lezi ezikhona izingane ziyaqhubeka ziyadlala ngalesi sikhathi ubingelele changes Akasha uthi kungenzeka noma yini noma inini noma kanjani kunoma ubani ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ocabanga ukuthi iyona possibilities are infinite in the universe your own consciousness is your own limitation possibilities are infinite in the universe your own consciousness is your own limitation kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli uyabona ngiphazanyiswa ilento eyenzeke la vele ngashintsha ngaba muhle nje la esithubeni yabo kade ngiyimubiza nje sebeyangibeautify la ubone ukuthi banamanga kanjani umuntu uzagcina efake ukuza umfethu ebona imama lapha seligezekile lapha ku TikTok kanti sekuyilezi zinto zika TikTok yabona right angikho lapho indaba yami la ekuthenini yabona asithathe umuntu ispace sakho sikhona futhi ayikho pressure i-pressure yona into engekho when the time is right please come and join us when the time is still not right it will be right don't force things to happen moya wakho uyafisa it's gonna happen ngenzeka ukuthi ubambekile isikhathi sakho siyaclasha nesikhathi sethu yeah it's fine but ngoba uyafisa kuzogcina kwenzekile yes ngoba uyafisa kuzogcina kwenzekile and i-spiritual journey sakho iyona nto leyo okumele ukuthi uma ulala noma uvuka uthi inkosi mina ngifuna ukuba spiritually aligned ngayo yonke indlela okunokuthi ngicabanga ukuthi business line engalivula ngicela ukucabanga ukuthi ngingaba kanjani aligned ngoba konke okunye kuyazizela ngoba yonke into iqhamuka from the spiritual side of things okunokuthi ucabanga ukuthi ngingazipositiona kanjani ngingaba aligned kanjani yabona spiritual alignment isami singaba kanjani yabona ngoba things just change yabona lento esiyenzayo lapha ya leyo ukubalance ama chakras nokwenza pranayama kusay part of it kusekona okunye okuzayo kusay just part of it ayikho ke bangani bami into edlula iconsistency yabona isikhathi it's either sibe umngani wakho noma siba isitha sakho kukabili ngesikhathi kodwa khona sizoba uqodwa kwalokho based on what you do now kabili it's either you regret yabona mawukuthi wena indlela odla ngayo manje is very unhealthy and terrible isikhathi soba isitha sakho ngoba isikhathi will irrigate what you are doing and it will magnify it and then it will be in front of you at some point this is how when you ate this is what you fed your body at some point usuhlangene nalo lonke uhlobo lokugula olukhona time by that time will be your enemy mawuthi wena we spend money spender yeah, you're gonna see some flames later on. If you are a money spender, you're having the buying instinct. At some point, you're gonna see the flames. At some point, you're gonna see the flames. Because based on what you do now, time can be your ally or can be your worst enemy ever. Yabo nje umuntu othi uyajima yena. Isikhathi siwumngani wakhe, yabo. In one way or other, siwumngani wakhe, depend ukuthi ujimelani. Yayizwa loo nto. Whatever you do now, ngenxa yento ekuthiwa i-consistency, it's gonna grow. That's how you eat an elephant. Take one bite at a time. So nathi ke la aleke ibutton esizothi sina lipress bese kushintsha yonke into. Mina I'm studying personal finance. I'm reading the books of personal finance. I'm fascinated by personal finance. Awukho la khona kwathiwa kunama easy way out. They always say ukuthi consistency is the key. Power of compounding, delayed gratification, doing what you need to do over time. That's what they tell me. Akukho mina empilweni la ngabona khona kuba uqhipho kuba one night thing. Ngisho ngitshala isihlahla ngiye ngibona ukuthi kuyalindwa. Akukho la khona ngiyengibona. Ngisho ingane uyizele ngiyengibona uyilinda mina. Izikhule. Kuyima uqala ke mhlawumbe uthola amafruits ukuthi ke wayikhulisa. Ngiyengibona ulinda akukho la khona. Ikuphi ke la khona ukuthi wa press one button. We just need to wish all the best to those people because they really need that. Those people who think there's only one button they need to press. Just go and play your lottery. Maybe that day will be your luckiest day. Who knows? Just go there, hoping and praying. Ne? But what I know, you don't position yourself for a luck. You just create it. Luck, you just create luck for yourself. Creating luck for yourself, it means you do what you need to do. So when preparation meets the opportunity, that's what they call luck. You gotta be prepared. Do what you need to do. It's boring, guys. The boring life is the one that produces great results in life. That boring life of repeating one and the same thing. No fluffy stuffs, no dopamine chase, just those same routine over and over again. That boring life is the one that produces greater results. So people are chasing dopamine, they are chasing pleasure. You need to do what you need to do. It's not that we are bored. Thina nalaba abanye bakhona abanye abasiza abantu ngendlela ethile. Mina lokho engikwenzayo, it's part of what helped me to become the changes I am. Changes enganguye mina ngimshiya ngamamayela ama-percentage, amamayela ama-kilometers, amamayela, yabo, miles and miles. Yazi ukuthi miles are measuring the distance kwamanye amazwe, but trying to show you ukuthi many light years engishiya ngayo low changes ebenguyena based on what I do. I just saw okay, this is what I do consistently. It's not that one is bored, just giving people what helped me to like elevate my level of consciousness, so like receiving all the things that I need to receive, be the better version of myself, and constantly evolving. So I'm sharing with people. It's not that I'm teaching, I'm just sharing, just guiding here and there. Yours is just to show up, that's it, and then give it a try. But this one, I chatting in 1,000. It's just to be a channel member nje. Yabo. Nakhona futhi hayi nanokuthi into eyimpoqo. Kukhona la khona engake ngayenza ivideo ukuthi this is how you do it. But to do it with me, you just develop a habit when. Yabo. You just develop a habit doing it together. Yabo. It's not even ukuthi khona into efihliwe ukuthi lento yenziwa kanjani. It's not even a secret ingredient. Kukhona lapha ya. Ukuthi how do you do it? La ku YouTube wami kukhona. It's just that we are creating a community. You see, just a matter of community.